Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn top 10 sentences for beginners who started learning German. So the first sentence is Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? What is your name? Ich heiße Robert. Ich heiße Robert. My name is Robert. Second sentence is Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Ich bin 26 Jahre alt. I am 26 years old. Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you? Ich bin 26 Jahre alt. So the third sentence is Welche Sprache sprechen Sie? Which language do you speak? Ich spreche Hindi. I speak Hindi. The fourth sentence is Wie ist Ihre Telefonnummer? What is your phone number? The landline number is Telefonnummer and the phone number, that is mobile number, is Handynummer. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? The fifth sentence is Wie ist Ihre Muttersprache? Wie ist Ihre Muttersprache? What is your mother tongue? Meine Muttersprache ist Hindi. My mother tongue is Hindi. So the language which I speak is your mother tongue. That is Muttersprache. Die Muttersprache. So the sixth sentence is Wer sind Sie? Who are you? We can also say Wie heißen Sie if you want to ask the name, then we say Wie heißen Sie. If you want to ask who are you, then we say Wer sind Sie. We can ask both the sentences at the same time. Fine. Wer sind Sie? Who are you? Ich bin Robert. Ich bin Maria. Ich bin Daniel. Fine. So, the seventh sentence is Woher kommen Sie? Now, where do you come? Your Heimatland. Okay? I come from India. Ich komme aus Indien. Oder ich komme aus Neu-Delhi. I come from New Delhi. The eighth sentence is Wie geht es Ihnen? For formal, we ask Ihnen, and for informal, we say dear. Wie geht es Ihnen? If we are asking to anyone who is elder than us, then we ask Wie geht es Ihnen? And if we are asking someone who is younger than us, then we say Wie geht es dir? Formally and informally. The ninth sentence is Wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Ich arbeite bei Siemens. I work at Siemens. Wo wohnen Sie? Where do you live? Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Fine. So these were the top 10 sentences of German for beginners. So guys, this was all about my video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.